Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the RAW file and applying lens corrections. This removes distortion and chromatic fringe so details stay clean. Next, crop tightly to the subject and lock composition because framing matters in macro. Convert to 16-bit when you plan heavy exposure or color shifts, since it preserves detail. Once done, perform a gentle global exposure and contrast adjustment to establish a neutral baseline. This makes later local edits predictable and prevents clipping in highlights or shadows. Now focus on local corrections. Create luminosity masks in Camera Raw or via Select Subject to target exposure without altering color. You should dodge and burn on a 50% gray layer set to overlay to model form and enhance texture. Work at low opacity and build up gradually. Once tonal sculpting is finished, apply high-pass sharpening on a merged layer and mask it to edges only, keeping radius between 0.5 and 2 pixels to avoid halos. Make sure to zoom in and inspect at 100% as you refine. Finish by balancing color. Use the HSL adjustments and targeted color curves to emphasize the natural hues. This preserves subtle gradients in petals or insects. Then remove dust spots, stray hairs, and distracting elements using the healing brush and clone stamp. Work non-destructively with layers. Once tidy, add final output sharpening sized for print or web and export in the appropriate color space. If colors shift or halos appear, step back. Reduce local adjustments and recheck masking to troubleshoot effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.